In this video, I will show you how to open a JPEG file in Adobe Photoshop Elements. This software is easy to use and more importantly, you pay only once and you own it forever. So there are no subscription fees, no monthly recurring cost. If you're into scrapbooking, junk journaling, or just want to play with graphic design software, then I recommend buying it. You can get a monthly trial version of Photoshop Elements and just have a free run. I've purchased my copy on Groupon for 30% less than the normal retail price. Moreover, I was lucky enough to add a coupon on top and get some cashback too. So overall, I've paid about 40% less what it normally costs. Link to coupon hunting site is in the description. As with almost every software, there are multiple ways to open a file. The same is with Photoshop Elements. The fastest way to open a file in Adobe Elements is to drag and drop the JPEG file, something like I'm doing right now. And that's it. A second way is to go to File, Open, a new pop-up window will appear on the screen. Just pick a file which you would like to open. I'm just gonna go with that one and click OK, and that's it. Third way is to use your keyboard shortcut. To open the dialog window, click on Ctrl and O. That will get you to the very same place. We have seen 3 ways of opening JPEG files in Adobe Elements. What about opening multiple files in Elements? Well, the method is almost the same. Click Ctrl plus O to open the dialog window. Pick files that you want to open. You can do it by holding Ctrl and clicking on the images, or pretty much here you can use another keyboard shortcut and open all of them by simply clicking anywhere inside the folder, then press Ctrl A, hit open. At the moment we're opening about 30 files, so it will take some time to open them. I'm just gonna close all of them right now. Close all. As you see, the keyboard shortcut for closing all is Alt Ctrl plus W. So let's say that you have accidentally closed the software, or maybe you are coming back to a project and you do not remember the location of the file that you've been working on. How to open recently edited file in Photoshop Elements, you may ask. Go to the very same place as before. Go to File, but this time click on Open Recently Edited Files and just pick the file from the list. Well, your list might be smaller as I have just opened nearly 30 images and 20 of them are in my list of recently opened images. So hence my list is very large. I hope that you get some value out of this video. Thanks so much for watching.